Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best doll sets is probably one of the most cherished gifts a young child can receive, sparking imagination and providing hours of creative play, making it an essential addition to any toy collection for little ones eager to explore nurturing roles and embark on fantastical adventures right from their playroom. Number 5. JC Toys Berenguer Boutique 15 Realistic Baby Doll Gift Set. Meet our incredibly realistic 15-inch baby doll. She features a soft body and beautifully detailed vinyl head, arms, and legs, with eyes that open and close. This perfect present for children aged 2 and up comes in a wonderful gift set. It includes outfits, shoes, a bottle, pacifier, rattle, and feeding accessories. Designed with safety in mind, this doll is made from non-scented, BPA-free vinyl. It's been safety tested and is soft, smooth, and durable for years of play. Her soft and cuddly body is perfect for holding and nurturing. She's just the right size for little ones to hug and cherish. Proudly designed by Berenguer and made by JC Toys, a USA family-run company with over 30 years of experience in creating lifelike baby dolls. What we like? This doll offers incredible realism with its soft body and lifelike open-close eyes. It comes with a generous 10-piece gift set, making it a complete package right out of the box. If you're looking for a doll that feels like a real baby and want to give a gift that includes everything needed for immediate play, this is the perfect choice. What people say. Soft cloth body lets the arms and legs move. They are very stiff, but not hard. The head, too, is firm, but you can squeeze the cheeks a little and turn the head with a little effort. Her pacifier fits nicely in her mouth without stress. Her clothes are cute, cuddly, and high quality. Shoes fit perfectly. It's great quality. Her eyes shut a great size for a toddler. Number 4. Melissa and Doug Mind to Love Twins Luke and Lucy Dolls. Meet Luke and Lucy, your new twin baby dolls. It's twice the fun with these adorable 15-inch companions. They come dressed in coordinating outfits and caps, with eyes that open and close. They can even suck their thumbs or pacifiers. These twins are perfect for nurturing and cuddling. Playing with them helps develop social and emotional skills. Looking for a gift for children aged 18 months to 5 years? These lovable twin dolls are an exceptional choice. For over 30 years, Melissa and Doug has been creating imaginative products. We are proud to be called the gold standard in early childhood play. We design every toy to the highest quality standards to nurture minds and hearts. If your child isn't inspired, we'll make it right. What we like? Get ready for double the fun with these adorable twin dolls. They feature open and close eyes and are perfect for nurturing play, helping to develop social and emotional skills. If you have a child who loves imaginative play and caring for multiple dolls, this twin set is an excellent option for fostering empathy and social interaction. What people say. The bodies are super snuggly but not too heavy, and they are a perfect size. The dolls have such sweet face and it was hard to believe first that I got them for such a great price. The eye color for both are different, which is good. They are light enough for toddler to carry around easily. They come in a nice box with 2 binkies and would make a great gift for any toddler. Number 3. Meland Doctor Kit for Kids. Introducing the Meland Doctor Kit, a comprehensive pretend play set designed for aspiring young doctors. It includes everything they need to step into the role. This kit comes packed with realistic medical tools, a cute dog toy, a doctor's coat, and a convenient carrying bag. It's perfect for imaginative play. Help your child become familiar with medical tools and procedures. This toy can ease anxieties about doctor visits by allowing them to experience it in a fun, safe way. With simulated tools and a dress-up costume, they can fully immerse themselves in the role. This fosters creativity, confidence, and develops crucial communication and empathy skills. This educational medical toy is an ideal gift for birthdays, holidays, or any occasion. It's a fantastic way to encourage their dreams of becoming a doctor or dentist. Recommended for children aged 3 to 8 years old, this kit provides hours of engaging and educational pretend play. What we like? This comprehensive doctor kit allows children to experience being a doctor or nurse, complete with a cute dog toy. It's designed to ease anxieties about doctor visits by familiarizing kids with medical tools and procedures. If your child dreams of being a doctor or simply enjoys pretend play that educates and builds confidence, this set is ideal for role-playing and developing sympathy. What people say. The dolls set is very durable and has held up well to rough play. The accessories included with the dolls set are a great addition and add to the imaginative play. The dolls are well made with attention to detail, making them appealing to young children. Number 2. Melissa and Doug Step-In Style Dress-Up Shoes Set. Unleash your child's creativity with our enchanting dress-up shoe collection. It's time to step into a world of imagination and fun. This set includes 4 distinct pairs of dress-up shoes, each designed to spark a different fantasy. From elegant princess to a rock star, there's a style for every adventure. Crafted with durable materials, these shoes are made to last through countless playtimes. They are perfectly sized for children ages 3 to 5, offering a comfortable fit for indoor adventures. Encourage imaginative role-playing and enhance interpersonal skills with this versatile set. It's a wonderful way to promote creative play without screens. Looking for a gift that inspires? This dress-up shoe set is ideal for preschoolers, offering hours of hands-on, screen-free entertainment and imaginative fun. What we like? Step into a world of imagination with these 4 pairs of dress-up shoes. Perfect for little ones who love to transform into different characters, from princesses to ballerinas. If you're looking to spark creative play and encourage imaginative storytelling, this set is a fantastic way for children to express themselves and explore different roles. What people say. They are so colorful and I know she's gonna wear these when she is playing. They look durable and she will grow into them and be able to play with them for years. These dress-up shoes were cute and good quality. I like that you get 4 different styles and color variety. Number 1. Creative Minds Basket of Baby's Soft Baby Dolls. Introducing a delightful set of 6 soft baby dolls, designed to bring diversity and inclusion into playtime. These multicultural dolls are perfect for little hands to explore and learn with. Each doll represents different cultural and ethnic features, fostering an early understanding of diversity and inclusion. They come nestled in a soft fabric basket, ready for adventure. These adorable dolls come with removable plush onesies and permanent cloth hats. Changing their outfits helps children develop coordination and fine motor skills. Playing with these dolls encourages tenderness, empathy, and social-emotional learning. They are wonderful sensory toys suitable for infants, toddlers, and preschoolers alike. Lovingly hand-sewn for lasting durability, these plush dolls are ready for years of snuggling and play. The included basket makes them easy to take anywhere. Looking for a unique gift? These multicultural baby dolls make a wonderful present for any occasion, bringing joy and learning to children all year round. What we like? This set features 6 soft, multicultural baby dolls designed to teach children about diversity and inclusion from an early age. They come in a convenient carry basket, making them portable for play anywhere. If you want to introduce your child to the beauty of diversity and foster empathy, this collection of plush dolls is a wonderful choice for gentle, educational play. What people say. Very soft and durable, love the colors. Well made. They are exactly the right size for an older baby or younger toddler. They are so soft and sweet. Great for his age, too, and are very durable and he has fun playing with them. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.